FEW has joined forces with several other civil rights, women's, and other professional organizations and labor unions to enact comprehensive legislation that would increase both efficiency and the likelihood of fairness within the EEO complaint processing system. FEW has also published a well-received booklet on combating sexual harassment. This booklet is being widely used by government agencies in teaching sexual harassment training classes. A safe and healthy work environment is supported by FEW. Legislators have vowed to improve these conditions by developing the Federal Occupational Safety and Health Act, which would ensure increased monitoring and education and expansion of the worker's right to a safe and healthy workplace. In 1992, FEW added safety and health to our legislative agenda. We've been asked by the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health to assist them in their efforts to make the federal workplace safer for women and people of color. Pay equity is a continuing problem. Thanks to the effort of members of Congress and to former OPM Director Constance Newman, the Federal Pay Comparability Act of 1990 was enacted into law. This act includes several provisions which are designed to reduce the nearly 30% pay gap between the federal government and private sector to within 5% by fiscal year 1995. FEW also continues to lobby for and to support identifying and eliminating gender and race-based wage discrimination in the federal pay and classification system. FEW has been working diligently on family medical leave for 8 years, only to see the legislation pass the House and Senate and be vetoed by the President. In February 1993, family medical leave was passed by the House and the Congress and signed into law by President Clinton. This is a great victory for FEW and for the many other organizations who have worked so hard on this important piece of legislation. One of the most enjoyable and rewarding experiences of being president of FEW is getting out to meet members across the United States. I have had the privilege of meeting with members in Brooklyn, New York, the Pacific Northwest region, and the D.C. metro region. In the near future, I will be speaking at chapter and regional training programs in Spokane, Washington, Charleston, South Carolina, Amarillo, Texas, Cocoa Beach, Florida, Ogden, Utah, and Fairfax, Virginia. I will also be representing FEW at the National Association of Professional Asian American Women's Conference in Bethesda, Maryland, and at the Image Training Program in San Antonio, Texas. I am proud of FEW's past accomplishments. I am delighted with the progress FEW has made this past year while I've been president, and I look forward to great things happening in the years ahead.